Ang nangyari kasi, nung pagdating kasi ng 5 rounds, sabi ko sa kanya, huwag kang sumabay, huwag kang lumaro doon sa laro niya, laruin mo yung sa laro mo lang, tsaka huwag kang basta-bastang pumasok. Tapos ingat ka lagi kasi baka may sit-up. Nung nakita kong tinamaan niya si Marquez, nakita kong gusto niyang kunin, so tumunog yung 10 seconds. Pag tunog ng 10 seconds, nung tinamaan niya ito Marquez, gusto niyang pasukin kaagad. Kasi kita niya groggy na eh, tinamaan ng solid eh.
The date was December 8, 2012. Filipino boxing superstar Manny Pacquiao was back in the ring. It was his 4th showdown against Mexican arch-rival Juan Manuel Marquez. 3 controversial fights in 8 years. Some blamed his new role as congressman and his newfound Christian faith as distractions. But Pacquiao says he merely made a mistake.
I don't think I was distracted on my last fight. Kasi kung tingnan natin, yung stamina ko, yung condition ko, talagang 100% makita yung aggressiveness nandoon. Ang problema lang talaga is nangyari ang hindi dapat mangyari, hindi natin ginusto na mangyayari, which is a part of boxing.
The loss clearly affected the national hero. Arriving in Manila, he apologized to Filipinos.
Nag-sorry ako nun kasi siyempre ang hangad ng Pilipino na mapasaya ko sila at mabigyan sila ng karangalan, kaya lang siyempre hindi natin ginusto yung nangyari. May mga pagkakataon kasi na hindi lahat ng panahon madadala natin yung honor. So
a knockout is a lot to get over for a fighter. It's not forgotten, but the fight is no longer spoken of in Pacquiao's training camp today.
We don't talk about it too much, but we do talk about the mistake of being too anxious, and that cost them. But we refer back to it every once in a while, of course.
Hindi na kasi kung isipin mo na naalala ko, pero tapos na yun eh. Kumbaga sa I have to move on for another fight like this. So kalimutan ko na yun. Part of boxing yan eh. Hindi lang naman first time ko na nangyari sa buhay, sa boxing career ko yun.
In this camp, past is past. All eyes are on the future. Is the fight against 27-year-old Brandon Rios his comeback fight?
Brandon Rios is parang baka eh. Bowler talaga na talagang yung style niya kasi pumapasok siya. So, fighter, no? Hindi marunong umatras, matapang, hindi pipitsuging boksingero, former world champion, hindi pwedeng bigyan ng kumpiyansa. So, kailangan yung dobling ingat talaga.
This is a really big fight. We're really in a must-win situation. You know, we're going against a young gun, tough guy from a new generation coming up. It's a must-win situation, I feel, and to get back into where Manny wants to be in the pound-for-pound top 10. I definitely think we have to be impressive, and we need a knockout to win in this in good fashion.
Pacquiao says he's ready.
Hindi walang kaba, kundi excited ang nararamdaman. Katulad ng ginagawa ko ngayon, happy ako dahil matagal akong kumbaga uhaw ako sa training and then sa fight.
Pacquiao returns to the ring on November 24 in Macau. Does he still have what it takes to win?